This is a guitar tutorial for Out of Time by The Weeknd. Hey, my name's Dave from Guitar.co. Each week I put up guitar lessons, modern songs, old songs, and also to do with technique and answering the most common guitar questions. If you're a player out there learning on the internet and you run into any problems and you want help with them, post comments below. I answer every question to do with playing. Let's get into the guitar tutorial for Out of Time by The Weeknd. So your first chord is an A flat major 7 chord. Okay, now here's the deal. If you get an A minor chord, you open A minor and move it up 1, 2, 3 frets. You're on the exact same strings, but move up 3 frets. So it should sound like this. Then get your thumb and wrap it across the top 4th fret. And you pick all 4 strings like that. Now, in case you're looking at this going, can I just use a pick, Dave? You can, but there's a lot of homework to do to, let's say, miss extra strings. So I'm just going to use fingers for now. And it does sound a bit more mellow with fingers as opposed to the pick. So that's your A flat major 7 chord. Now, the next chord is G minor. Actually, before I go into that, just one thing. If you do find that thumb thing weird or tricky, I do appreciate I'm on a baby Taylor guitar. You could make your A minor shape with these 3 fingers. So you use your middle finger on the 4th fret of B, ring finger on 5th fret of G, ring finger on 5th fret of D. Then use your index finger on the top. You see it sounds the same. That's your first chord. You hold that for 4 beats. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the next chord is G minor. Not the bar chord G minor, but it's kind of broken out. I think Calvin Harris produced this song, and this would be a thing you do a lot. So you use your ring finger on 3rd fret of B, middle on 3rd of G, index on 3rd of E. And you pick all 3 together like that. That's G minor. Then for the next chord, and we'll connect them up then, move your index down a string. Make sure you move your thumb down as well. For C minor 9. So those 2 chords connected go. And the count is 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Now, if you're new to these types of chords, the thing I'd suggest here is, we're halfway through the song, by the way, because it goes around in a big loop, is that you've A flat major 7. I just practice moving from here to here to here. Just get those movements into your fingers first if you're not too familiar with them. Okay, and whether you're doing this one. Now, the beat, the rhythm of those would go as follows. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll do that one more time. And if you're comfy with the chords already, join along. 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good news is the next 2 bars feature the same rhythm. So you have a lot of the work done. F minor 9. Here's the story. You have 2 options here. Definitely bar your index finger across the 1st fret of D and bar it across all 4 of those. Then get your pinky and put it on the 3rd fret of the thin E string. You can use your ring if you wish. I know a lot of players ask that. Okay, now that is one way of doing it. That's F minor 9. The other way is to get the thumb across the top, which you might be like, no, wait, Jose. The other option is to just bar your index finger across it in total. Now this is a bit of a problem chord, in fairness, but it does sound good. You can do that. Okay. The other option you can do is this. Just keep it simple. We did come from here. You can do that chord if you wish. You know me though, I aim for accuracy, so I'm including the actual chords. So that's the same shape as your G minor. Get the index up at the top for F minor. Then we go back to G minor and we end with the C minor. That chord. Now that C minor is my index finger is on the 3rd fret of A, ring finger on 5th fret of G, middle finger on 4th fret of B. So all together we get this for the last 2 bars. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Same drill as before. Whether you're doing this shape or this one, just practice moving between the 3 shapes first and then add in the rhythm. 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Now, all together it goes as follows. And by the way, I do have a tab written out. A handwritten tab. I went old school on this. So if you want to download it, I have a link below. You can get access to that and all the other Weeknd tabs I have done as well. You'll find the link below after this video. So all together we get this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3. Easier version now. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Just the F minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Like that. That's all the lesson, guys. Remember to like and subscribe to keep up to date for future song lessons. And any problems with this, post below. I am happy to help. See you in the next lesson.